Good morning, it is ClayTrader from ClayTrader.com. This is just pre-market. It's 9:16 a.m. Eastern time right now. Looking at a few, you can see AGN. This was how it closed on the 2-minute, so a pretty crazy day. Just exploded, pulled back, and then started to go back in strong in the close. But it looks like these people here knew something. As you can see now, gapping up $23 over 2.5 million. Pre-market, still 15 minutes to go, so this one's certainly going to be on the watch list. And then, of course, Facebook is getting some nice volume too. So it's going to be a Facebook and AGN type morning, maybe a couple others, but right now, both of these are getting quite a bit of pre-market action, so that's what I like, and we will see what happens with those. But that's where things stand right now in the pre-market. We'll see how things unfold. Okay, I have an order in here to short at 63.15. It just pushed through 63, so we'll see if it can pop up there and get me filled. You can see breakout here, but if I get filled up at 63.15, that would be a pretty overextended point on this current breakout. I was thinking 63.05, so I would already be in, but I decided, why not just make it a very overextended state and then go for a 10-cent gain, which is what I'll be going for. Depending on where this candle closes, I may change the order. So I got to see how this candle closes. But like I said, right now, if it were to get all the way up there at 63.15, it'd be quite overextended to the upside. So I'd like to, I'd like that as a beginning position to start to build. As you can see, 63.05, that would have definitely been the better area. But oh well. So that's where the trade currently stands. Like I said, I may be changing it, but that's the current plan of action. Okay, I have an order and try to buy some here at 62.56. We'll see if the 62.60s can fall and then get down there and fill me. Let's see if I get filled here. I am now in, looking to sell at 62.62. If I do get filled, these will turn to green. And then if I need to build a bigger position, I can do that. But I do like my entry point that I got here. All right, looking like it may pull back some more here. Just kind of got to be a little patient with it, see which direction it wants to go, and then adjust the plan accordingly. All right, I will pause it and keep you posted. We'll if it looks like I'm going to get filled or if I'm going to buy more, I will get it rolling back again. Okay, I'm not sure if I caught it or not, but that was a very fast bounce. But I got out at 62.62, so I'm now up $90 on the day. Let's see if I can catch some more trades here. Quick little update here on AGN, which is what I was looking at pre-market. You can see not really much happening. The big gap up and just kind of in this tight little range. Not saying that it won't do anything more for the day, but where it stands right now, I'm just not seeing any sort of swingable action that draws my attention. So that's just where this one stands, and maybe AGN will pick up again and I'll trade it, but for the time being, this is why I haven't been talking about it or focused on it. It's just not giving me any reason to. Got to order in a short at 62.84. The reason for that is there's a big old order to sell at 62.85. So I was trying to cut in front of that, but I was a little too slow on it, so not looking like I was able to get it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cancel that. I'll let it roll just so we can see if that order is still sitting out there at 85, if it can push up there. See, right there is what I was talking about. So I was trying to cut in front of that at 84. But I think the time already came, and if it's coming back up here again, it's probably going to push through, which it just did right there. That's why I canceled that order. See if I can get a better entry point here. But so never mind, but at least you got to see kind of where my rationale was on that and then why I canceled it. So I will keep you posted. I actually screwed up and got shares when I didn't want to. So that's why I only went for a little 3 cent score there. So yeah, like I said, that was just operator error on my part. Clicked a couple of wrong buttons and then all of a sudden was in at 62.94. So, and out of blind luck, that would actually turn out to have been a very nice trade there, but it was that's all it was blind luck, a mistake on my part. That's why I just wanted to get out at 62.91. Yeah, so that happens too. Sometimes you press the wrong buttons and you just got to get out. So that's what happened there. That's why just going for the change it to the 3 cents. So I'll see if I can catch some more trades here. Trying to play Tesla right now. You can see, well, you could see my order at 208.30. Trying to buy some on this pullback, little kind of pennant formation here forming. There's my order right there. I was the best bid. Okay, I'm in. Now I'm going to go for a 208.55 sale here. Reason for the big jump is, this one's just got a a much bigger spread. So that is my rationale why going for a bigger score like that. I'm now best on the ass there, and I am out. So you can see there, Tesla $75 in, I don't know, 30 seconds or so. These ones are can be very profitable if you just play the spread like you saw me do right there. But you got to be extra careful with them too, because if they really start to go against you, then it can start to hurt pretty quick. But as long as you're picking logical areas to take a risk, so logical risk, then it can work out like you just saw there. So I'll try to catch one more trade. I now have an order in at 207 for 300 shares. You can see here pullback, so trying to play it again. This entry is actually based more off the 5-minute chart. So we'll see if it can pull back there. I will keep you posted. Looking to go short here. I am short now at 62.58. Looking to cover at 62.52. So let's see what happens here. You can see my order kind of get highlighted over here when it gets close. But 62.53s keep jumping in front of me. So let's see if it can pull back just a little bit more here. These darn 53s keep popping in front of me. You can see there, keep cutting in line. And 52s are printing. I'm just not getting filled. There I am, filled right there for, what was that? Oh, that was a 6-cent score. So another gain there. I'm now up 300 on the day. And I think I'm going to wrap it up here. Try to keep the video shorter than normal. So if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, not trade for 5 cents like I'm doing here, but just in general, charts can be applied to what I'm doing. That can be applied to swing trading, which is longer term. You remember, charts just measure emotion, and emotion takes place on all time frames. So if you're interested in learning how to apply charts and just learn charts in general, I'd encourage you to go to ClayTrader.com. That is my blog, where you can click in the links below the video and check out some of the courses I offer. Also have a trading group where we have a live chat room and just alert each other during the day to what's hot and what's not. So I'd encourage you to check that out too. That's called the Inner Circle. Very cost effective, especially when you go out there and compare it to other services. So if you have any questions or anything for me, let me know. But hopefully you learned something. And like I said, check out the blog. And thanks for watching. And sorry for stumbling around on my words. I'm trying to watch and determine if I want another trade and talk at the same time. And as you can see, I'm not a very good multitasker. So again, thanks for listening. Hopefully you learned something.